Well, I did my best to try and get this one apart by just levering it around the actual seal, and failed. This was the one that was rattling. It had already been broken off its tags. That's how it should be. I've already taken the batteries out because they're dead anyway. It should be like that. Battery should be in there, and you make contact across there, and that should switch it on. So we might have a play with that in a minute, see if we can get it to work. But being as gentle as I could, I couldn't get it apart without damaging it. This one I've left soaking in spirit, alcohol, whatever you want to call it. And it hasn't made any difference to that either. I left that overnight, so it's had plenty of time. And it's had no effect on the glue whatsoever. He says he makes a little bit of progress, but that may just have been where there wasn't enough glue. Yeah, I think that was just a lucky push. I don't think there was any glue just there. So I think my first reaction was correct, that there's not much chance of getting this apart and putting it back together again. Because whatever glue they've used, it works well. It's making slightly better progress than I was making before. So it might have had some effect. Yeah, that's sort of peeling a bit. Oh. Maybe the spirit did work a bit. See that one, the pegs push through that way. Surgical spirit, I think, is what the word I was trying to think of. Denatured alcohol is another type. Methylated spirits, I suspect. It's got to be a classic case of stabbing your hand with it, trying to do it this way. Right. Well, that seems to have released it all the way around. There's still glue underneath it though. I'd love to know what glue that is, because that really works well. It's not giving up even now. At least you can see the shape of the item. It's got a step on it, and that's just not going to come out. Yeah, that's taken the ridge. Genuinely wasting my time here. It's not going to go back together even if we get it out, so let's be a bit more positive. Gonna have to cut that, aren't we? Yeah, we weren't going to get it out because that wrapped right round. Yeah. So whatever glue that is they use, it works really well. Right, there's our little circuit board. Got 3 LEDs, transistor of some sort, and a white blob to do the circuitry. A resistor there. It's come apart anyway. Push the batteries out. Right, so can we put a battery on there of our own? Well, that's a bit disappointing. I've carefully soldered extending leads onto the important bits on both of them, and neither of them work when I connect together what would have been the pads underneath. But if I just go directly to the LEDs, which way was it? Yeah, so we got blue LED, orange, yellow, amber. Yeah, do that again. Yeah, blue LED, amber, and red. So that one works. blue, amber. Oh, it's not quite so bright, that one. And red. I can't think of any use for it, and I'm disappointed that I can't get them to flash, because I should just need to connect up that, which is the center tag, and then touch them together. Wet my fingers, touch them together, or even touch them directly. But it's not working. Whether they're cracked somewhere, circuit board. Can't put any stress on it and try and get it to work. So yeah, that's disappointing. I'd rather hoped we might have had little flashing units that I could just touch them together and away we go. But no is the answer. It's a shame, because the last one I took apart worked absolutely fine once I replaced the batteries. But this one doesn't want, well, neither of these two want to, which is odd. I'd have thought one might have failed and the other might have survived, but no, no such luck. So there we go. Not going to repair them, not going to replace the batteries, and we haven't even got flashing circuits, although we do have LEDs that work. If I wanted to solder them up directly, we could use them. But they're on board, so you can't sort of take them off and use them somewhere else.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.